Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the third video in our series Evolution of Design. So we are going to learn another two important topics in evolution of design. So let us go to this topic. So every app we use, whether it's Instagram, Spotify, or any banking app, like it has been carefully designed to look good and feel easy, right? So but how does this happen? Through design principles and elements, and sometimes even intelligent systems like AI. Okay, so this is the reason they are having the good design. So let's break down this using daily life comparisons. Okay, so first of all, the subtopic is the design principle: balance, alignment, contrast, and hierarchy. Okay, think of setting your dinner table. Okay, so you balance items on both sides so it doesn't look cluttered, right? So plates are aligned with edge of the table, it feels clean. Okay, so you use a bright table mat to highlight the centerpiece, that is contrast. Okay, and you place the most important dish in the center, that is hierarchy. So these are the four terms that we are comparing. Okay, so balance, alignment, contrast, and hierarchy. What are those? We balance the items, we align the items in the table so it looks clean, and contrast is nothing but creating any different or unique color which makes others attractive. And hierarchy is nothing but you place the most important dish in the center. So these same principles apply to mobile apps, where to place buttons, where what to highlight, and how to guide the user's eye, and what are all these things there are: balance, alignment, contrast, hierarchy. So in this way, these are used in the design. Okay, these are the design principles. And next, design elements like color, shape, typography, and space. Now imagine decorating your room. Okay, you choose colors that match your mood. Okay, and you use shapes like round pillar, the square frames for your visibility, and you pick a stylish font for a poster, so and leave empty space so the room doesn't feel too busy. So in UI or UX, like designers, they will use these elements to build emotion, readability, and flow. So just like how you make your room cozy and functional, right? So similarly, those will be helping. Okay, so and next topic is, see, I'm telling these because you need to understand what the topic means. I'm explaining it with daily life because by explaining that, so whenever they ask the questions in these topics, right, it will be very easy to you to understand. So the next topic is the interaction between principles and elements. Okay, so let's say you are baking a cake, you're preparing a cake. The elements are ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and etc. And the principles is nothing but other techniques like how to mix, how to layer that, bake and decorate. All those things are principles. Okay, so only when both work together you get a beautiful and tasty cake, right? Similarly, that's how your user experience works, like mixing design elements with principles to make a visually impactful and usable product. So apps like Instagram use consistent spacing and readable fonts, vibrant images, and everything is clear. It's a clear hierarchy. So making it instantly recognizable and easy to use. So we have taken the mobile as well, right? So example is Instagram mobile app, and the next topic is evolutionary computation, like selection, mutation, and adoption. What that is mean? So now imagine a nature designing. Let's say birds evolve better bakes over generations. So what that is means? Why? Let's say birds evolve better beaks over generations. Why? Because nature selects, mutuates, and adapts traits that help survival. That is nothing but the evolutionary computation. So, where algorithms use trial and error, copying nature's way to improve design over time. So, let me take for example an AI cloud create thousands of layout variations and keep that one the users respond to the best. Okay, so in this ways we can say how to select, which ways how evolutionary computation is being developed, like with with the help of selection, mutation, and adoption. Okay, it adapts to daily day-to-day life, and what are the improvements they have to make, it helps it do like that. So and the next one is intellect design, like human creativity and decision making. But now think of planning your living room. So you are living in a room. Okay, so what are the things you observe? You just don't try random arrangements. Like you think what feels good in your room and what reflects my taste and what do guests need. All these things you will see, right? So in your room you want to uh, keep your room in a way that you likes it, right? That is intellect based design. Okay, so logical, intentional and centered around human decision and empathy. So human designers consider emotions and habits, culture, things algorithms can't fully understand. Okay, so algorithm can't understand emotions, right? So all these things are understandable by the human designers. And next one is AI algorithms versus human centered design. So okay, yeah, an AI can optimize an app screen by measuring clicks and scrolls, but it may not understand why a warm, welcoming color make people stay stronger, right? But a human-centered designer, right, creates with purpose. Like, what does this color say? Will this font comfort or alarm the user? So where AI calculates, human empathize. Okay, that's the reason that and sorry, that's the difference between AI algorithms and human-centered design. Okay, so and next one, the difference between adaptive systems versus planned system. So think about Google Maps. So it adopts routes based on the traffic. That's an adaptive system. Now think of a printed paper map. It's fixed and planned. So this is the adaptive method, changing according to the situations. Planned method, that is fixed. Okay. So design works in the same way. Like AI-based systems adapt in real time. Human planned systems are built on deep thinking and testing. So the future, a blend of both. Okay. So mixing of these two. And let me give a quick summary. What are the things that I have explained? So great design is not just about looks. So it's a dance between principles and elements, between algorithms and empathy, and between natural evolution and human intent, right? So whether it's your favorite app, a room, or you decorate, or you make a dish like a cake or anything. So every design involves choices, and and the best ones as well. Okay, so they feel natural because they are built for real people. So these are the things that we are learning in these important topics. So in the next video we will be discussing other two important topics. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. So the main purpose of this is to understand the topics. So after understanding the every topic, like, we will be making the questions as well. Okay, thank you.